If your side mirror of your BMW has been damaged or just fell off, there is a very easy and inexpensive way to fix it. Taking it to your dealer might cost you $300 to $500, but you can fix it and not spend more than $20, and it will take only 3 to 5 minutes. Here, you can see that my driver's side mirror just fell off. The base is still there, but only the glass was detached and fell. I ordered the parts from Amazon. It includes the mirror glass attached to the base already, so when you replace it, you will have to replace the remaining base. This is the replacement part that I have got from Amazon. The backside shows 2 electrical connections. It costs only about $17 to $18. To replace the mirror, you only need one tool. It can be a chisel or something similar that is firm enough not to snap when you will try to remove the old mirror. Let us get to work. I am going to wipe out the mirror and surroundings with a soft cloth, as it is wet from the dews overnight. The mirror base has several plastic clips that attaches it to the car body. Take the chisel and carefully insert it behind the mirror base. Start with the one lower corner, and gently try to snap one plastic hook at a time. It may take considerable pressure to snap the first hook. There are 2 wires that are connected to the base of the mirror. Pull very gently to slide these wires from the connection. This will disconnect the base from the car. Finally, we have disconnected the old mirror base completely. This is where the mirror base was attached. This is my new replacement part from Amazon. Please take a look at the 2 electrical connections. We will have to connect these 2 wires first, then attach the base to the car. Press firmly on the surface of the mirror in the middle and on each corner until you hear snap sounds, as each plastic hook attaches to the mirror base to secure the mount. Now, it's time to check if the mirror moves when adjusting from inside the car. You can see that it is moving up and down and side to side easily. If you need to replace the mirror on the passenger side, the process is essentially the same. You just have to order the mirror for the passenger side. I hope this video will be helpful to save you some dollars by replacing the mirror by yourself. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching.